This video will demonstrate the genital sex assignment from male to female by animation with interoperative views. Through the scrotal medial incision, both testicles are exposed. If the foreskin is still in place, the inner plate is preserved, and the penile skin is circumferentially cut and pushed to the penile base. By sharp dissection, the dorsal nerve bundle with the glands and the urethra is separated from the corpora cavernosa. Inverted through the scrotal incision, and both corpora cavernosa are removed as close as possible to the inferior pubic bone. The penile skin is inverted, and skin incisions are placed at the typical location for the clitoris and urethral meatus. The penile skin is reversed once again. The glans is reduced to the size of the neoclitoris and situated with 60 single-stitch sutures. The bulbar urethra is pulled through the neomeatus and split longitudinally up to the neomeatus after the penile skin is superficially incised to increase the circumference without risking the blood supply. The urethra is sutured into the increased circumference of the penile skin. With a further distal extension of the scrotal incision, the centrum tendinium will be exposed and incised. The space between the rectum and the prostate bladder base is bluntly developed. By reaching the os sacrum, the ligamentum sacrospinale is palpated, where the two sutures are placed, which are then used to position the neovagina. For the outer female genital, each half of the scrotal skin is tailored to become the labia minora and majora. The incision closures are strategically placed to appear as natural skin folds.
Kemarin gue OP-nya, ini gue di tempat tidur sakit banget. Aduh, ini hari kedua sakitnya minta ampun. Gue tahan-tahanin demi laki-laki yang gue cintai. Yang penting sekarang gue udah bahagia, udah gak ada yang bisa gangguin gue lagi. Habis ini gue mau buka lembaran baru. Aduh, tapi gue sekarang belum bisa bangun. Aduh, susu mak mesti Nina. Kita sama-sama punya Meki.